Hi, ARK fans. Welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. In 5 minutes or less, we'll try to go over April 27 trades. In highlights today, we will be featuring biggest moves, and in that we have JD and Coinbase, both just dial and Coinbase. One company is completely removed from the fund altogether, so we'll go over that. And we will feature NanoDimension just a little bit because there is a news about that. So stay with me. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other. Welcome back, guys. In ARK summary section, we keep an eye on high-level numbers like market value, which is 50.9 billion today, down from yesterday about 0.9%, and we'll go into the biggest move section to find out which companies caused it. But it's not that bad. It's just 0.9% down compared to yesterday. Good thing is it's still above 50 billion mark. This is the weightage in terms of market value of all the ETFs, biggest one being ARK, and the smallest ones are Israel and Print. ARKX, which was recently added, is 1.4% of overall fund. Total number of companies has gone down today to 270 from 271 yesterday. And this is the way it looks in terms of slices in the count of companies for various ETFs. If you sum it up, it will be more than 270 because some companies are present in more than one funds. So that's over. That's high level information in terms of company ranking. We always keep an eye on top 5, which has remained the same, no changes there. But let's feature NanoDimension quickly, which is at rank 85 today. We have been recording data since January, and the ranking has been up and down all the way from rank 70 down to 90 and somewhere in between. But it started at very tail end of the fund initially sometime last year. I don't have all that data, all that history, but yeah, they are very bullish on it. They keep adding more and more and more. Currently, if you look at the shares trend, if I hover over it, you see more information there. It's present in 4 ETFs. It was recently added to Print ETF. Even though this is a 3D printing company, it was never in the Print ETF, recently added there. A big chunk of shares added there, actually. They're maintaining a position of 16.59 million shares. Stock price going to $8.10, but in past it has even been to $17 at one point, so it's nowhere near its highest peak. And market value continues to go up. On the weekend, maybe I'll share complete information, all the history of data that I have, the complete trend. But for now, this is what I'm featuring for NanoDimension. They acquired 2 companies recently. They had raised $1 billion via direct offerings, and 2 companies they have acquired. First is DeepCube, which is an AI company which makes their machines smarter and much more smarter, which helps them in QA quality, maintaining the quality of the products that their machines produce, etc. And then the latest one is Nanofabrica, which was a competition actually. So they acquired the competition. So that's great. Another, we are waiting for more and more acquisitions. The one that we are really waiting for, which will make a big impact, is one of the companies that actually does this work of prototyping chips and prototyping circuit boards for various companies, so that they can replace their process with the printers that they have. So that is the one that will really make a difference in the revenue, in the profit. So far, they have acquired 2 companies which make their products better, and they're also taking the competition in their mix. So that's the update about NanoDimension. Let's go to biggest moves quickly. These are the biggest moves. We have all these companies, and their ranking in the 270 companies. The threshold is 3%. So any company that changed the number of shares by 3%, added 3% shares or removed 3% share, more than 3% shares will show up here. So this is what we have. Meituan, 10% extra shares added there. Pinduoduo, 9% extra shares added there. JD, 4% extra. It's present in 4 different ETFs. Coinbase added 3.5% extra shares. Now 2.52 million shares there. It's present in 3 ETFs. So these are the number of shares added. But in terms of impact, JD made the biggest impact of 32.6 million. So you add these many shares, and this is what it costed. So they added this much to the fund. And Coinbase as well, the second biggest one. In terms of negatives, we have Nvidia, second biggest, Agora, and I'm going to hover over these so you can see the trends and what all ETFs they are present in: Silvergate, Cyros, HubSpot, Frasia, Pekar, Aiden, International Exchange. So in terms of shares, this is what it is, and the impact of selling those shares. The maximum one is Silvergate Capital, 22 million, and Intercontinental Exchange, the second biggest one, NVIDIA 17 million, and Agora 14 million. And we try to capture other companies in this chart because some companies may have really high stock price and they won't be captured in the chart above, even in 3% threshold. So they could get captured here and here also because of the stock price swings. Those company also will get captured here. So Tesla announcing the quarterly results, and they are still not profitable, but they say that it's pretty good results, in line or actually more than what they were expecting. So that is great. But as you can see in the trend of shares, they have been trimming the position a little bit, and stock price has been a little bit of a roller coaster as well, ending in $704.70, market value going down. They've been trimming it to buy more growth companies. That's what we have seen. Square as well trimming there. Roku trimming the position there as well. Silvergate removed a lot of shares there. It featured in above chart as well. Zillow Group, again maintaining the position compared to yesterday, but in general trimming the position there as well. Pacifica Biosciences, they have been reducing shares in this company since ever, but the stock price keeps going up a little bit, and hence it is in green. JD featured in above chart as well. Overall, this is how the picture looks. It's a mix of red and green, but mostly red looks like, led by Tesla, and hence the overall fund is down compared to yesterday. And this is the company which is removed today, guys, XILINX. And this has been popping up on other days as well, in other videos as well, but it has gone down completely today, completely removed from the fund. So that was your daily dose. Thank you so much, guys. Please like and subscribe and support this channel. I'll see you tomorrow.